Let's study. Fraction. A fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. A number in the form of numerator upon denominator. A fraction consists of two inner parts separated by a line. A fraction is an equal part of a whole. The numerator, the number on top, tells us how many of the equal parts are used. The denominator, the number at the bottom, tells us how many equal parts the whole has been divided into. In this fraction, 1 upon 6, 1 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. We can represent anything in fraction if we divide in equal parts. A circle is split into 5 equal parts. This shows 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5. Let's see a real-life example and compare the shares of a quarter and a half. Have you ever eaten a part of something and not been able to finish it? If you have ever wondered how much food was left, then you would probably measure the amount in fractions. A pizza or pie, for example, can be broken into pieces so it can be shared. Each part of the pizza or pie represents a fraction of the whole. Let's learn about half and quarter of an object. Rahul invited his friends for birthday. He wants to share cake after the birthday party. Can you cut or share the cake with everyone? Yes, if we can divide the birthday cake into pieces, then we can distribute among friends. We can share this between 2 persons. We can share this between 4 persons. When you join 2 half part of the pizza, you get a whole pizza. When you join 2 half part of the donut, you get a whole donut. Color 1 half of the following shapes. 4 quarters of an object make 1 whole. Color 1 quarter of the following shapes. Let's look at how to represent the shaded part to the total part in fraction. In the figure 1, there are 8 equal parts, so the denominator is 8. Each equal part is 1/8 of the shape. There are 4 shaded parts, so the numerator is 4. The shaded part is 4/8 of the total parts. In the figure 2, there are 6 equal parts, so the denominator is 6. Each equal part is 1/6 of the shape. There are 3 shaded parts, so the numerator is 3. The shaded part is 3/6 of the total parts. In the figure 3, there are 9 equal parts, so the denominator is 9. Each equal part is 1/9 of the shape. There are 3 shaded parts, so the numerator is 3. The shaded part is 3/9 of the total parts. Subscribe, like, share.